Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the weekly analysis that is going from today the 13th of January towards the 20th of January 2014. You're watching the weekly chart. Situations that we saw last week is basically giving us sufficient information to through several hypotheses based on what the candles and the entire technical analysis is giving us at this point. As you can see, this was last week market, a market that is actually showing us a big consolidation, kind of like a long sideways trend where maximums and minimums, supports and resistance are just basically the common ground. As you all know, the small time frames are showing us these opportunities that we can take when we can buy in support, sell in resistance. This was the common denominator last week. Nevertheless, the currency was coming from a powerful rally as everybody experienced, and here is the daily chart just to prove it. Look at this situation. This long overextended rally managed to create enough power to push the price towards $1,093 per coin, but after that the price was trying to build a new higher low, but because of the overextended trend, obviously it was a high possibility that this higher low was not developing 100%. And look at what's happening right now. We might see this kind of formation coming until a breakup can basically push the price towards minor resistance, and why not go for the long run and trying to reach the historical highs, which are based in 1242. Everybody knows that. Nevertheless, we need to understand that for this thing to happen, the price needs to build enough support and few patterns in daily 12-hour chart and obviously 3-day chart for us to consider that possibility. This is the 3-day chart. As you all see, it's already overextended per candles and per movement, and right now is building something that we can call a flag, bullish flag, P formation, you name it. It's all bullish at the moment, but it's possible that if the price remains between these bodies, we're gonna see a possibility that the fluctuation can bring us new opportunities in a small time frames, such as 60 minutes and 80-minute chart, and why not 4 hours. But 4 hours is actually quite a macro time frame, so I would not recommend it if I decide to go between support and resistance to trade intraday. What we can see right now is if this maintains its formation, we might experience opportunities in a small time frame such as 60 minutes or 15 minutes. Nevertheless, let's check on 12-hour chart and see the situation so far. Look at what's happening. It's very similar to what the daily chart was showing us previously. We have almost equal supports, equal resistance, and we might see this trend happening once again after the 3-day chart managed to build sufficient information or sufficient supports to bring that particular bullish flag back into the game, and we might see a potential new rally coming towards this particular area, 1242. If not, obviously retracements or downtrends always possible. Make sure that if that happens, we need to see the price going below 880 and 48, and then we might see a very powerful retracement towards the bottom of this support, which actually located in 639. At this point, everything seems very positive on that towards the particular historical highs. We keep an eye on it to give you guys some opportunities that we see based on the methodology. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day and a good week ahead. Goodbye.